Hey there, this is Ed Staten, and thank you so much for choosing this video. I firmly believe that the reason that you clicked this ad is for your pursuit for a way to control your own destiny, to travel, to spend time with your family, and to break away from the thankless job that so many people are saddled with. One path that people are taking is online marketing through affiliate sales, e-commerce, digital agencies, and so much more. Now, I have joined a tremendous team that has enabled me to move forward with that dream. And although I've got 20 years of working in sales and management at TV and radio stations, and actually significant experience in e-commerce as well, I realize that there is so much more to learn in the ever-changing world of online marketing. I'm happy to share this with you, but don't want to be over the top like so many of those zany individuals who literally wave big money in your face and make it seem like you can earn thousands of dollars in your first day with no effort. Now, I joined team leaders Josh Elder and Brian Dixon, and am now securing an awesome future by working with two groups, the High Ticket Affiliate and the Six Figure Action Group. The instruction that we are providing is absolutely incredible. We methodically tackle the intricate aspects of Facebook and YouTube marketing, how to craft your messages, how to track them through ClickFunnels, JotForm, ManyChat, and more. You learn how to create your YouTube channels, how to bring people to your videos through keywords, proper tags, captivating thumbnail images, and more. You have content and ads that are literally produced for you to help you market your products and services and more. We have weekly live chat training and mentors that walk us through every step of the process. I joined this team because they handle their business like businessmen and businesswomen, and it's with that same professionalism that I have conducted my career in marketing and through 30 years of being in the military as well. So thank you again for watching this video. I am on my journey towards bigger and better things, and if you're interested in following that same path, then please engage with me, ask questions, send me a message, and we'll see if we can get you the information that you need to get you on the path that you're looking forward as well.